There are a few industries that we are very excited about. First and foremost, as you mentioned, digital health. So we think the ability for healthcare inclusion to be massively accelerated across the region, across 1.5 billion people in the Middle East and Africa, is tremendous. So people will go from having no access to a doctor to telemedicine. There is this leapfrogging that we anticipate in healthcare, just like we saw in finance 10 years ago, when people went from mobile wallets straight to mobile wallets from cash and coins, completely skipping that legacy infrastructure. So digital health is at the forefront as far as we're concerned. We've already made our first 5 investments in digital healthcare. One of them, a company called Proximy, being an augmented reality platform that enables surgeons to scrub into the operating room from anywhere in the world and enable surgery, saving lives across the emerging markets. So the 1.5 billion population across Middle East and Africa is what we look at, and there's real world problems there, not just in digital health, like I mentioned, but also, for example, in education. Half of the world's children that are out of school, 150 million children, reside in the Middle East and Africa. So when we think about what is education, is it still a center for knowledge, or is it a center for skills? What is the future of education, and how can we give these children an opportunity to really improve their lives, learn a lot, and socialize with others? We will find solutions in these markets that cater to the markets that really address the underlying issues, that are fantastic opportunities to change the world while at the same time creating returns for our investors.
How much of a game changer has the Abraham Accords been when it comes to assessing potential tech investments in the region? Because we've been speaking to a lot of people who have said the opening up of that channel really has been a game changer, not only for the UAE, but for Israel as well.
I think technology is borderless, and it really scales across the world regardless of borders. Innovation can happen anywhere. We believe that location is important because it allows you to see problems firsthand and really address those problems in a manner that suits the local culture as well as the dynamics. So when we take a look at different opportunities, it's really irrelevant where technology comes from. What we look at are companies that are based in the region that are addressing problems that target hundreds of millions of people.